How to track your claim status on AirHelp. Hello, this is another AirHelp tutorial and I'll be teaching you how you can track your claim status on AirHelp. So kindly watch till the end, alright? The first step is to visit airhelp.com, and then once you're on the website page, move to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon and then click on it. So once you can click on it, you'll see options like login, sign up, view claim status. In order to view your claim status, you'd have to log in first of all, but you can just click on view claim status and then you'll be taken to the login or sign up page. Once you're on this page, you can see the option login to continue. You can decide to enter in your email and your password, or you can just go ahead and click on your Google account. So once you will be asked to select the Google account that you want to use to log in, so ensure you do that and click on continue, and just like that you'll be logged in into your account. All right, your login has been successful. So once you're logged in into your account, you can see your dashboard. You can see add claim, protect my future trip, charge us. Then you can go ahead and add your claims. And then in order to view your claim status, the next thing that you have to do is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see a navigation bar showing options like home, trips, claims, lounges. So click on claims, and by clicking on claims, we brought to the claims page. On this, you will see your compensation claims here, and then from here you would be able to view the current status of each of the claims that you submitted. So once you see all of your claims being displayed, click on the one whose status you want to see, and you'll be taken to the page where you see details about the claim. So that is it. For me, I did not make any compensation claim. That's why my own is empty. But for you, you will see all of your claims as displayed here. So ensure you follow these procedures and you'll be able to view your claim status easily. Thank you for watching and have a good day.